Have you ever seen a bird so tiny that it can fit right on your finger? A bird that can fly backward, upside down, and hover mid-air like a helicopter? Yes, friends! We're talking about the incredible hummingbird, nature's tiny flying jewel. Hummingbirds are found only in the America. The largest variety of species live in South America, especially around Ecuador, Peru, and Colombia, where flowers bloom all year round. There are around 360 known species of hummingbirds in the world, each with its own color, size, and sparkle. Most species weigh between 2 to 20 grams. That's lighter than a single rupee coin. Their size ranges from 5 to 13 centimeters, depending on the species. The smallest hummingbird ever recorded is the bee hummingbird from Cuba, just 5 centimeters long and weighing less than 2 grams. It's actually the smallest bird on Earth. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards and even hover in one spot. Their wings beat about 50 to 80 times per second, so fast that the human eye can barely see them. They can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and fly as high as 4,000 meters above sea level, especially during migration. Their heart beats more than 100 times per minute when flying. Imagine that energy! Hummingbirds are always hungry. They need food every 10 to 15 minutes. Their favorite food? Nectar, the sweet liquid found inside flowers. They use their long, straw-like tongue to sip nectar while hovering mid-air. But they don't live on sugar alone. They also eat tiny insects and spiders for protein. And here's a fact, they can drink up to double their body weight in nectar every single day. Hummingbirds are mostly solitary. They love their personal space. During mating season, the males perform amazing sky dances to impress the females, diving, spinning, and glowing with iridescent colors. The female builds the nest alone, a tiny cup-shaped nest made from soft plant fibers, spider webs, and moss. She usually lays 2 small white eggs, each no bigger than a pea. Baby hummingbirds hatch blind and featherless, but in just 3 weeks, they're ready to fly. Their feathers are like living jewels, shimmering with metallic reds, greens, and blues that change color with light. They have super strong chest muscles. About 30% of their body weight is muscle, built purely for flight. And here's a crazy fact. If humans had the same metabolism, we'd have to eat more than 300 hamburgers a day just to keep up. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds migrate thousands of kilometers. One species even flies non-stop 800 kilometers across the Gulf of Mexico during migration. So next time you see a flash of color and a blur of wings, remember, it's not magic, it's a hummingbird, nature's most elegant acrobat.